My dear students, in this video also we are going to solve one problem in the topic mathematical induction. See, the problem is using induction to prove that 5 power n plus 1 plus 4 into 6 power n. When divided by 20, this expression is divided by 20, it leaves a remainder 9 for all natural numbers n. So, all natural numbers n எதுவா இருந்தாலும் 5 power n plus 1 plus 4 into 6 power n என்ற expression 20ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணா 9 வந்து ரிமைண்டரா வரும் அப்படின்னு நம்ம ப்ரூவ் பண்ணோம். இந்த எக்ஸ்பிரஷனை 20ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணும்போது 9 ரிமைண்டர் வரும்ன்றது தான் இந்த ப்ராப்ளம். பாருங்க, for that you consider this expression by p of n. p of n equal to 5 power n plus 1 plus 4 into 6 power n. 5 power n plus 1 plus 4 into 6 power n. இப்போ இந்த எக்ஸ்பிரஷனை 5 power p of n வச்சுங்க. அவருடைய induction principle first step என்ன? Initial step. We have to prove that the result is true for n equal to 1. The problem is true for n equal to 1. அதாவது initial step. அப்போ p of 1 போட்டோம்னா 5 power 1 plus 1 plus 4 into 6 power 1. 6 power 1 na 6. 6 4s are 24. Plus 5 power 1 plus 1 is 5 square. 5 square is 25. 25 plus 24 is 49. 49 20 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணா பாருங்க 2 20s are 40 plus 9. அப்போ 9 ரிமைண்டர் வருது. So n equal to 1 க்கு ரிசல்ட் ட்ரூ ஆகும். 49 டிவைட் பண்ணும்போது 20 ஆல 2 20s are 40 plus ரிமைண்டர் 9 வருது. Therefore problem is proved for n equal to 1. அடுத்த செகண்ட் ஸ்டெப் வந்து ஸ்டேஜ் வந்து இண்டக்ஷன் ஸ்டெப். இண்டக்ஷன் வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? We assume that the result is true for n equal to k. The problem n equal to k க்கு true னு வெச்சுக்கிறோம். அப்ப p of k வந்து 5 power k plus 1 plus 4 into 6 power k. இப்ப p of k வந்து 5 power k plus 1 plus 4 into 6 power k. என்னங்க k கொடுக்கும்போது இது k plus 1 ஆயிடுது. இது வந்து 20 ஆல் டிவைட் ஆகி ரிமைண்டர் 9 வரும்ன்றதுனா பிரின்சிபல். So this can be expressed as 20 times of some scalar natural number m plus the remainder 9. So this expression is 5 power k plus 1 plus 4 into 6 power k equal to 20 times of some number plus remainder 9. So equating this from this expression 5 power k plus 1 மட்டும் left hand side வச்சிங்க. இது அப்படியே right hand side போயிட்டா 20m minus 4 into 6 power k plus 9. In the 5 power k plus 1 க்கு ஒரு எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் கொடுக்கிறோம். இதுல இருந்து 20m minus 4 into 6 power k plus 9. You consider this expression as an equation 1. அப்ப assume பண்றோம் p of k க்கு ரிசல்ட் problem true னா 5 power k plus 1 இது வருது. இப்போ we have to prove that the result is true for n equal to k plus 1. Okay? Now we have to prove that the problem is proved. We have to prove that the problem is true. Sorry. The problem is true for n equal to k plus 1. Problem is proved for or true for n equal to k plus 1. We have to prove that the problem is true for n equal to k plus 1. That is p of k plus 1 equal to 5 power k plus 1 plus 1. 5 power n plus 1. K plus 1 plus 1. Because 5 power n plus 1. Plus 4 into 6 power n. N is k plus 1. Problem is 5 power n plus 1. N plus 1 is k plus 1 plus 1. Plus 4 into 6 power n. N is k plus 1. So this is 5 power k plus 2. Plus 4 into 6 power k plus 1. So this can be expressed as 5 power k plus 1 into 5. 5 power k plus 2 can be split into 5 power k plus 1 into 5 plus 4 into 6 power k into 6. 6 power k plus 1 is split into 6 power k into 6. So now you replace 5 power k plus 1 by from the equation 1 you replace 5 power k plus 1. That is 5 power k plus 1 is equal to 20m minus 4 into 6 power k. 20m minus 4 into 6 power k plus 9. 5 power k plus 1 is 20m minus 4 into 6 power k plus 9. From the equation 1, I replace 5 power k plus 1. Into 5 is there. Therefore, into 5. So, plus, now write. 1 minute. So 5 power k plus 1 is 20m minus 4 is 6 power k plus 9 into 5 is that into 5 plus 4 6 are 24 into 6 power k. This is 4 6 are 24 into 6 power k. So this is 5 into 20 100m minus 5 4 are 20 into 6 power k plus 5 9s are 45 plus 24 6 power k. 24 into 6 power k. Okay? Listen. இதில் பாருங்க 5 power k plus 1 replace பண்ண உடனே இந்த எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் கிடைக்குது. This is 100m minus 20 into 6 power k plus 24 into 6 power k add பண்ணும்போது plus 4 into 6 power k மட்டும் வரும். Because 24 into 6 power k minus 20 into 6 power k subtract பண்ணா 4 into 6 power k plus 45. Okay. 5 9s are 45. 45. Yes. Now, I am going to add, plus 4 into 6 power k plus 45 is, you add, subtract minus 4 into 6 power k. Plus 4 into 6 power k, you add and subtract 4 into 6 power k. Sorry. 45 can be expressed as 24, 4 into 6 power k minus not 4, you add, sorry. You subtract 4 and add 4, not 4, minus 4 plus 4 plus 45, like that. Okay. See, you subtract, see 100m minus plus 4 into 6 power k, you subtract 4 and add 4 for compensation plus 45. So this is equal to 100m, 45 plus 4 is 49. See, 49 is 40 plus 9, you can write. 40 plus 9, this 45 is, I can write as 40 plus, 45 is 49, 40 plus 9, plus you 4 into 6 power k, you can take on 4 common, or 4 into 6 power k, minus 4. See, 100m plus, this is 45 plus 4, 49 is 40 plus 9, plus 4 is 6 power k. So now you separate this 9 from this expression. I will get p of k plus 1 equal to, okay. Now this is 100m plus 40 plus 4 into 6 power k minus 4 plus 9. You separate this 9 and out of the expressions. See, this is you see, for 100m plus 40 plus 4 into 6 power k. See, if this expression is divided by 20, we can say that problem is true because the whole expression divided by 20 plus the remainder 9. So this entire expression is to be divided by 20. If it is so, the remainder is 9. That's our problem. You know 20m and 40 can be divided by 20. It is divisible by 20. So we have to prove only this 4 into 6 power k minus 4 can be divided by 20. Then the problem is true. இங்க பாருங்க 100m plus 40 20 ஆல் டிவைட் ஆகும். 100m 20 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணலாம். 5m plus 2 20 40. இது டிவைட் ஆகுது 20 ஆல். இதுவும் 20 ஆல் டிவைட் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா ப்ராப்ளம் ட்ரூ. ஏன்னா ரிமைண்டர் 9 இருக்கு. அதனால the first two expressions, this is divided by 20. Therefore we have to prove 4 into 6 power k minus 4 is also divided by 20. இதுவும் 20 ஆல் டிவைட் ஆகும்னு சொல்லணும். அதுக்கு இதை தனியாக ஒரு கன்சிடர் பண்ணீங்க. p of n கன்சிடர் பண்ணீங்க. p of n equal to or p of k அப்படி தனியாக வச்சுக்கீங்க. இது மட்டும் p of n வச்சுக்கிட்டா 4 into 6 power n minus 4 வச்சுக்கலாம். இது வந்து 20 ஆல் டிவைட் ஆகும். அப்போ n equal to 1 இது இண்டக்ஷன் பிரின்சிபலில் போடணும். p of 1 என்ன ஆகுது பாருங்க. 4 into 6 power 1 minus 4, that is equal to 4 into 6 24 minus 4. 4 into 6 power 1 is 6. 24 minus 4 is 20. Is divisible by 20. Is divisible by 20. இது 20 ஆல் டிவைட் ஆகுது. அப்போ this is true for n equal to 1. The result is true for n equal to 1. Now we assume that the result is true for n equal to k and to prove that the result is true for n equal to k plus 1. இதுக்கு அதே மாதிரி நம்ம ப்ரூவ் பண்ண மாட்டோம். இப்போ assume that the result is true for n equal to k. அப்போ p of k என்ன வருது பாருங்க. okay. 4 into 6 power k minus 4 is divisible by true na, it is divisible by 20. அதான் அர்த்தம். இது வந்து divisible by 20 is divisible by 20. Therefore 4 into 6 power k minus 4 equal to 20 times of some q. This is a scalar thing. 20 times of some q because divisible by 20. 20 into some scalar q. Q is any number, natural number. This is 20q. We have to prove that the result is true for n equal to k plus 1. We have to prove that the result is true for n equal to k plus 1. Okay? Now again we have to prove that the result is true for n equal to k plus 1 for this expression. Our p of k plus 1 is 4 into 6 power k plus 1. 4 into 6 power k plus 1 minus 4. This is equal to 4 into 6 into 6 power k. You can write it as the 6 power k plus 1 is 6 into 6 power k. 6 power k plus 1 minus 4. Now you replace, this is 24. This is 24 minus 6 power k. Here you consider from this expression what is 4 into 6 power k. Very good. This can be expressed as 4 into 6 power k into 6. 6 power k into 6 is 6 power k plus 1. 4 into 6 power k into 6 minus 4. This 4 into 6 power k can be expressed from this expression. This is 4 into 6 power k equal to 4 into 6 power k. 4 into 6 power k equal to 20 cube plus 4. 20 cube plus 4. This minus 4 can be bring it to the right hand side. It is 20 cube plus 4. Therefore, now this expression is 4 into 6 power k can be replaced by 20 cube plus 4. 20 cube plus 4. Okay. Into 6 minus 4. So this is equal to 620 is 120 cube plus 24 minus 4. 120 cube plus 6 4 are 24 minus 4. This is 120 cube. 24 minus 4 is 20. So 120 cube in plus 20 is divisible by 20 now. So this expression is also divisible by 20 by proving induction method. We proved that this 4 into 6 power k minus 4 is also divisible by 20. It becomes 120 cube plus 20. It should be divisible by 20. So the second expression, this expression is also divisible by 20. Already 100m plus 440 is divisible by 20, and 4 into 6 power k minus 4 is also divisible by 20. We proved. Therefore, p of k plus 1 is also true for the problem. Okay? So this is also 420 cube plus 4 into 6 is 120 cube plus 24 minus 4 is 120. So this is divisible by, which is divisible by which is divisible by 20. Therefore, 4 into 6 power k minus 4 is also divisible by 20. So 100m plus 40 is divisible by 20, and 4 into 6 power k minus 4 is also divisible by 20. The entire expression is divisible by 20, and 9 is also the remainder. Therefore, the given problem is true for n equal to k plus 1. Therefore, the problem is true for all n. Therefore, the problem is proved for all natural n. Natural number n. So that's all about the problem. These two separately we have to prove this is also divisible by 20, and this is already by seeing 100 plus 40 is divisible by 20, and also the remainder 9. The given expression is divisible by true for k plus 1. Therefore, the problem is true for all natural number n. Hence the problem. So that's all about this video, and I will complete the video now, and we will continue the new topic in our next video. Thank you.